Hello, Sharks. Thanks so much for giving us the time to share our very special vision with you.
Yeah, thanks.
Now remember, let me do most of the talking.
Right.
You smile, I talk.
I love to smile.
Hi, I'm Jamie.
Hi, I'm Jenny. And we're the winning team behind the J&J Cupcake Cafe.
Looking for a few investors for our brand new cupcake company. You'll love being our taste testers.
You've got the double JJ guarantee.
Double JJ? That doesn't make any sense. Shh, don't talk. We met in high school when we sat together during lab for computer tech. I have always been good at math, and Jenny didn't fail home ec. And we started baking for our high school friends.
Jamie loved to try out crazy flavor blends.
But if that awesome taste alone won't get customers in the door, we came up with a fantastic thing.
I came up with
no one's ever done before.
People need a full experience.
Which we learned through our cupcake
and
research.
Because we're two super fun
And
ladies.
smart. We chose the thing people love as much as cupcakes. Movies from the 80s.
Who you gonna call? Ghostbusters. E.T. phone home. Ah!
Luke, I am your father.
No!
What are you doing?
Nobody puts baby in a corner.
Right? Of course. This cupcake's named after that famous monster, the Stay Puft Marshmallow Man. In addition to the lovely vanilla cake, we serve it with this Ghostbusters can.
It's our very own nuclear accelerator called our marshmallow whipped cream generator. Sorry.
What are you doing? We're the J&J Cupcake Cafe. Of course, we have a very special green frosted one that will appeal to all of your senses.
Some people think it tastes like real kryptonite because it breaks down your taste buds' defenses.
Surprisingly clever. We made this one with healthy nutrients, including farro and flax and bran. And we mix it with some crispy bacon bits,
So the taste will even knock out Superman. This is disgusting.
If kryptonite makes you sick, then this is very effective.
It's very good for you. It has fiber that helps with your digestion.
It makes you poop.
You know, I think I've lost my appetite.
Wait, don't go. At least save for our big finale. We're saving the best for last. Just like that trilogy of trilogies, the most iconic movies ever made. We call this our first Cupcake series. It's a Star Wars promenade. Luke Skywalker's a graham cracker crusted top with a vanilla honey lightsaber lollipop.
Han Solo, since he was always looking fine, is made of rich chocolate with a shot of cherry wine. My idea.
They've had royal flair, so we've added a lemony fold to her vanilla and blackcurrant liquor cake.
Silver and gold.
But this last one is my personal fave, the 2-foot hero you all know. We needed flavors that tasted wise and brave, like yellow squash and pistachio. We've added a subtle touch of spiked cream soda to make a cupcake worthy of Yoda.
No!
You dropped Yoda!
Sorry, would you like to try my Han Solo?
You did that on purpose. You always hated Yoda.
I like Yoda, I just don't like your gross cupcake version of him.
Yeah? Well, here's what I think of your Han Solo cupcake.
That was our best flavor!
Not anymore, it's not.
Ladies. ever seen.
Yeah, I'm out.
You know, I'm out.
I'm totally out. Enough.
You know, I never wanted to do cupcakes anyway.
I always wanted to be a dog breeder.
I like dogs.
Shih Tzus?
Pipples.
Okay.